So if you are thinking like, okay, 2020 was hell for me and I really need to start me a side hustle so I can make sure that I have some additional money coming in, and you don't want that additional money, means that you have to exchange your time and your energy in order to make this money. Because that's what most people do. Most people get a second job, a third job. No. Are you guys sowing your seeds? If you have been sowing seeds and you've actually been putting into action everything that I've been showing you guys so far going into 2021, make sure you guys put some seed emojis down in the comment section just to let me know that what I'm doing is actually helping you guys, okay? I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I'm so excited. This has ultimately been like my number one goal, is to inspire, motivate other people. You know, because people like to put shame and guilt on you when you be feeling certain type of way. And I am a teenage mom. I was a teenage mom, okay? I dropped out of high school. Of course, I went back to school and went to college. I graduated from Winston-Salem State. But this has always been my ultimate goal in life, is to help other people. So y'all have to excuse me if I get super excited, right? So what exactly can you do, really, without any money at all, to start a business?
Hey harvesters, don't forget I have totally revamped my coaching website. You guys can sign up for free business resources. I have ebooks and worksheets inside of here. No email list required. Group coaching is currently on sale for $20 a month. If you sign up before February 15th, you could lock in that price. I also even created you guys a free chat community where you can socialize with other aspiring entrepreneurs, cross promote, collaborate, and network. Links are in the description.
Digital products, okay? Digital products literally work well for anyone, regardless of what industry you are in, regardless of what type of products or services you have been offering the public. Let me give you guys me as an example, right? Me being a licensed cosmetologist, doing hair in my own salons. I actually had 3 salons. And starting to sell hair extensions. I turned hair extensions and being the salon owner and cosmetologist into being a business coach. And so I turned all of my knowledge, being a licensed cosmetologist, starting my own hair company, being successful in my hair company, I turned it into business coaching. I turned the information and knowledge that I had into eBooks and into online courses. You guys can do that too. This is the easiest way in 2021 for you guys to start a business if you do not have any money. Now, first thing first, I previously did a video telling you guys about getting in front of the camera, stop being afraid, learning how to brand yourself. So make sure you guys watch that video. I'll try to put an iCard up here as well as a link down below so you guys can go watch that video, because many people start businesses, and if it was that simple, everybody would be successful as entrepreneurs, right? So I don't want to sell you guys dreams. I'm getting straight to the point, okay? You're thinking like, oh, okay, I'm a teacher. How can I start a side hustle or a full-time business being a teacher? Well, you have knowledge. So you could turn your knowledge into actual digital products, ebooks for moms and dads or grandmothers that they could download to help their children, as far as, especially with COVID-19 and a lot of kids still being out of school. You could turn those into online courses. You could turn those into tutoring ebooks, as far as like helping them with math. If you cook, okay, you could literally turn you being able to cook into an online course, the same way with the teacher, or into ebooks, right? Because you cook. I'm someone who just went plant-based. Now, when I get on YouTube or when I get on Instagram, guess what I'm looking for? I'm looking for plant-based cooks, plant-based recipe books, people who do like vegan recipes on Instagram, the videos on YouTube. Like, do they have a cookbook? I'm going to buy it. I want to help you guys start, becoming more creative and understanding that there is always an opportunity. There is always an opportunity. So I'm making sure, covering all bases, that you guys do not have a reason to come back and tell me that you can't start your own side hustle or your own full-time business. Okay? Plant these seeds. Reap your harvest. And I'm telling you guys, you could literally do this without any money, because you could use Canva. Canva is a free app that you could go in there and you can make ebooks. Okay? Matter of fact, before I leave, let me do you guys a favor, and I'm going to go to Canva. Oops. I'm going to go into Canva and I'm going to show you guys. Let me share my screen with y'all too. Okay? Okay, so it's a little slow. So this is my personal page, But I'm going to go right here and I'm going to do ebook. Okay, it says ebook cover. You literally can just do the ebook cover on Canva, and you do not have to pay for Canva. You only have to pay for Canva when you want to use the additional resources that they have. Otherwise, you can literally do this for free. Okay, and so I'm going to pick an industry that I'm not necessarily known for being a part of, which is the beauty industry. I'm going to choose fashion instead. So you could go on Canva, and they already have kind of like templates that you guys can choose from. And you could decide whether or not these already kind of match your brand and just change the verbiage on each one of these. Okay, I'm going to take this one. And well, I don't know which pictures are available on the free version because I've been paying for Canva for years, okay? But you could just take this and let me show you something. Okay, so this just says a cover, but all you have to do to add pages is just press add page. And now you have a brand new page where you can add text and all of that kind of stuff. I actually have an online course if you guys want additional information, but I am going to actually show you in this video how you could change this. So this is the background cover image. And you're going to go over here to the trash can. Let's press delete. And so this wording is white. We're going to change that into black just so we can see it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go right here into photos. And I'm going to type in fashion. And so I'm making a fashion ebook right here online for you guys. So let's see what kind of matches what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm going to choose her because she looks like she is thinking about fashion. Like she's excited about the opportunity. And so my ebook is going to be about maybe how to start your clothing line or something like that. She looks like she's excited. There's clothing in the background. It goes with my brand. It goes with my theme, right? You guys, make sure you get branding down, okay? Because branding matters. If you out there just posting pictures on Instagram thinking you're going to make business and people going to buy, probably not. You need to understand branding, and you also need to understand what a target audience is, and as well as marketing. So, okay, we have our picture now, and now we're going to put that behind there. A lot of it is free, and you'll know which ones cost because it'll have like a crown or something. You see how it says pro? So if you don't have the pro account, it'll have like this symbol right here on it. So now that you have the cover, and of course you're going to change this to match whatever it is that you're selling, then you can start adding brand new pages. Let's put this at the top. And then you could go in here and press text. Okay, literally. Now, if you guys want to know how exactly to outline an ebook so that it matches what people are looking for, then again, I do have an online course. But I'm still trying to show you guys how simple and easy it is. So if you already have a brand, you already know what you want to write about, you already know how to do an outline. We kind of learned that in grade school, right? Then all you have to do is every time you're ready to create another page, you just press add page, and you're going to keep adding pages. You're going to keep adding pictures and of course the text, and you're going to do an outline for your business. So all you're missing at this point, once you get done, you could just press download, and you're going to do PDF standard, right? Because you want to be able to make it into an ebook. And then you're going to download it to your computer, and that's how you're going to share. All you need to work on at that point, of course, is branding, understanding your target audience, and then also marketing and advertising. That's all that's left. But you pretty much have been able to turn being in the fashion industry. You could do the same thing for teaching. Let's change this picture. Let's go up here just to show you guys all the many pictures that they have. Teaching. Okay, so you're a teacher, and now you want to turn this into books. Okay, so we could just take this picture. We're going to enlarge it. Maybe I'm moving too fast. Okay, awesome. So you could turn this, and now you have an ebook about tutoring kids, right? That you can help parents that's at home, and their kids are struggling right now because they're at home due to the pandemic. Okay, so you cook. Let's type in cooking pictures, and now here we have a picture. And you can call this how to start your plant-based diet, right? So you could literally do this for anything, you guys. This is a business that you can start for free. So now you have ebooks. You could also create online courses as well, right? So all you are missing at this point, you already have your digital products that you could start selling. All you are missing is understanding your branding strategy, understanding who your target audience is, marketing, and advertising. Once you have those 4 other things that's created, you guys know how in my previous video I said, you know, there are specific seeds that you need to sow, right? My channel is called Sow the Seed for a reason. You sowing the seed so that you can reap a good harvest. So you have to know branding, that's a seed. Target audience, that's a seed. Marketing, advertising, email lists. Those are all seeds. And you start from that, from creating a business plan. Once you create a business plan, you'll know how to do all the rest of these steps as well. And I have a free course on my website on how you guys can create a business plan. But that's pretty much it, you guys. So if you are thinking like, okay, 2020 was hell for me and I really need to start me a side hustle so I can make sure that I have some additional money coming in, and you don't want that additional money, means that you have to exchange your time and your energy in order to make this money. Because that's what most people do. Most people get a second job, a third job. No, create you a digital product business, side hustle on the side, so you can literally make this money while you are asleep. Okay, this is the easiest business, and you can sell your digital products if you understand marketing and advertising, branding, and who your target audience is. And I already have a video about that on this channel for free. Now that we have all of this covered, you guys, we learned what is the easiest business to start in 2021 as a side hustle or a full-time business with absolutely no money. And we also learned how to create ebooks in this video. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, as well as place down in the comment section if I have helped you guys to kind of get your entrepreneurial creative juices running in your mind on what you could do in 2021 to start a business without any money. And I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.